Hello my friends, it's Courtney here from Flint. Today I'm going to show you how to create an invisible join when you're knitting in the round. So the first thing we're going to want to do after casting on the number of stitches as called for in our pattern is to cast on one additional stitch. And that is because this stitch will be eliminated when we create our invisible join. Okay, so we'll do a little check just to make sure that our stitches are not twisted on our needles, and then we will go ahead and create our invisible join. So to do this, we will use our right needle to slip the first stitch on our left needle onto our right needle. So we're going to slip it purlwise onto our right needle. And then we are going to use our left needle to pass the second stitch on our right needle over that slipped stitch. So I'll use my left needle and pass it over that slip stitch, and then we have eliminated that extra stitch that we cast on. All right, so then I'm just going to grab the tail end of my yarn as well as the yarn that is attached to my ball and give it a gentle tug to kind of cinch up that join. And then I'm going to place my stitch marker, put it on my needles, and I'm ready to start knitting some rounds. And I will meet you back here after a few rounds just to show you what that invisible join looks like. All right, so here I am back at the join after knitting a couple of rounds of ribbing, and as you can tell, there's no added bulk here, no gaps. It's really a seamless way to do that join, and I just love this method. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to share some more tips, tricks, and techniques with you next time. Follow me on Instagram at Flint to see what I'm working on next.